Yeah.
So before we start, as we all know that, one child out of 700 children, the regular children, are born with Down syndrome every year. And around 30,000 children are born with Down syndrome in India, and around 6,000 in the US every year. So what is Down syndrome? It is it is not a disease. We don't catch it from anybody. It is a genetic condition. So there are three types of Down syndrome. Before we go into that, I want to tell you as to what is Down syndrome. So normally we all have 46 chromosomes in our bodies, right? All typical bodies have 46 chromosomes. What happens with people with Down syndrome is they have one extra chromosome. That one extra chromosome, affects the entire lifestyle of the a person with Down syndrome, be it medical, be it, so it basically is medical, and that I will talk to you further in the next slides. So before we go ahead with the uh, medical interventions, let us talk about what are the three types of Down syndrome. So the most commonest condition in Down syndrome is trisomy 21, which affects about 94% of children, which you can read here. And in this, what happens is every cell of the body is affected. Of a child with trisomy 21, every cell is affected with that extra chromosome. Whereas in mosaic, what happens, which is only around 2% of children with Down syndrome are affected, it's only around, few cells are affected in the body. And whereas in translocation, it affects just around 2 chromosomes. So sometimes it also passes, we can't, in translocation, we don't see the features also sometimes. So because it's really mild, and the 21st chromosome generally gets attached to another chromosome, which is either 14th mostly or number 9th chromosome. So what exactly the chromosomes look like? Can I see the next slide? Swati, can I see the next slide, please? Yeah, so this is the general report which comes when you actually call out for, when your child is diagnosed with Down syndrome. This is the first report which you should get it done. That is called the chirotyping. And this shows the chromosomal alterations in Down syndrome, wherein you can see the number 21. The 21st chromosome has 3 pairs. So that is how the child is diagnosed. It confirms that in the report that the child has trisomy 21. So that extra chromosome affects all the chromosomes in the body.